Hi friends, welcome to the checklist and preparation before flying your DJI Mavic Mini for the first time. Actually, myself I get a combo pack. It comes with a remote, spare batteries, battery storage and charger. And extra is 360-degree protector cage, extra props and a carry bag. Anyway, it worth it. Because when I check the price, there is 300 dirhams difference. I'm in UAE, so the money is Arab Emirates dirhams. On dirhams is around 3.7 US dollar. So only for the battery itself, it worth it, the package, because we are getting two extra battery plus a dock. Okay, so maybe after 2 months, if we want to get spare batteries itself, it will cost maybe 200 dirhams, and the full package cost me only 300 extra. If you have a basic knowledge of flying drones, it's fine for Mavic Mini. But one thing to do is just be familiar with the software. Although Mavic Mini look like and feels like a toy, please don't treat it like a toy, because you are one of the luckiest person on earth with a quality DJI product in your hand, which is capable of giving you high standard outputs. And the carry bag, it is very good quality. If you want to buy it, you must pay at least 35, 40, 50 dollars, something like that. Okay, and it looks good. The quality of the stitchings, the quality of the material they used, it's amazing. The bag is amazing, and it's very small. It's almost like your first aid bag in your car. It's very small. Okay, and next thing is one thing I need to tell: the handle. I don't like it. I don't know why. I know the reason. Because it's on the wrong side. They give the handle in the wrong side actually. That's why maybe. At least for me, it's in the wrong side. The first thing to check is your battery levels. For the drone batteries, the remote batteries, and your smartphone batteries. No matter how long you want to fly, it's a short time or long time, please fully charge your batteries, mobile device and remote control. And if you get the standard version, as soon as possible, try get at least one extra battery and a separate charger dock, because it is not easy for you to charge every time with the port provided in the Mavic Mini itself. And because why I am telling this, because the flight time they are telling is 30 minutes, but you know that we will not get that much exactly, because they are testing their drones in the areas with the special conditions, like this much wind, this much weather or something like that, and not in sports mode also. So if they say 30 minutes, you must consider 25 minutes. The battery in maximum of 25 minutes. Here you can see a pin. Just pull it off. That's it. You can see the connection pins, and it is rated as 2400 milliampere battery. Okay. Second is for the Mavic Mini. Here we have the battery compartment. It's near to the ports. Okay, we have the compartment. Okay, and you see the pins above. So just make sure that it's coming in line with this one. And just okay, there is a click sound, and again. Okay, so it's fail safe. You will get that click sound, and always make sure it's better. Just double check the door is closed or not, because any loose contacts will lead your Mavic to fall down from the sky. Here we have our Mavic Mini. Opened all the arms. the back arms have to be opened downwards direction and the front arms forward direction. Already you have the sticker there indicating the directions of opening if you are confused. When I check the weight, the aircraft, it's like 197 grams actually, 197 grams. Yeah, the props, it's look like it's not strong. No, we can try and check. Another one thing you have to consider is you must open the front legs first, front arms first. Why? Because if you open the back arms first, you are unable to open the front arms. So always take care of that. Okay, and if you push it hard or something by mistake, you will get a broken arm. So always check the stickers and check on time. Go through your drone for the physical properties. It's better than going into any mistake or something. Don't forget to remove your gimbal cover before flight. It will, and also the main thing is after once you finish the flying, done with the flying, reattach it. It will save it from the damages caused by shaking or small drop off or something. And you can start removing from here and you will get it finished from here. Okay, you can see those sensor like design. Okay, don't be fooled, there are no sensor here, and the only sensor they have is the two sensors below the drone. And also those are not for obstacle avoidance, those are used for the hovering, the accurate hovering function above the ground level up to 5 meters. There you can see the power button and the battery indicators. For the micro SD card, according to DJI, they are asking us to use class 10 micro SD card. So what is class 10 micro SD card? There are many people, they are confused here. What is a class 10 and what is a UHS class 1 and what is the difference between those and the normal memory cards? Actually, class 4 supports 4 Mbps of minimum data transfer. Class 6 support minimum 6 Mbps, and class 10 and UHS class 1 support 10 Mbps of guaranteed minimum data transfer. So that is essential for high streaming video recording. But those speeds are not the original speed of the card. That is the minimum. That is the minimum guaranteed data transfer rate. So for the maximum speed, it can go like 60 Mbps or 100 Mbps. It's depend on the company, the category of the card, the technology used in the card, the brand, cost, and quality. So basically, almost all the card available now for the DSLR cameras will work, but don't go for cheap cards. And if you noticed any frame rate or something shuttering, something like that, or missing in the videos, you must change your memory card and go for a branded one. The maximum memory capacity supported by Mavic Mini is 256 GB. Today is November 11 and already officially DJI released the application for Mavic Mini. It is called DJI Fly. The interface is very simple. Even a new who is not even fly a single drone or didn't use a single application can understand it very quickly. Anyway, I will be making a review for the application as a tutorial in the coming days. In the application, you have to sign in first. If you don't have an account with DJI, you have to make one. It's simple by entering your email address and a new password. And if you have one, it's easy to sign in. It is mandatory to sign in so that you can activate your device, and that device will be linked to your account. I must switch my device to show you the application process, because now I am recording in my iPhone X, and in this phone I have the application, DJI application installed. So I have to change my phone, and I will show you the process of application and process of activation. So here we have the DJI app. I'm opening it. For me, I already signed in, and we will click the connect device. Okay, it's showing that you need to set up the remote first. Screen. We already set up the remote, and now I need to press the remote button on time to show the power status, and after that I need to press it for 1 second to activate it. All the gadgets are fully charged, and here they already mentioned the instructions there. It's very simple, you can follow it. It's very simple. Okay, we are trying it. Yeah, power on the device, then I am pressing it for 1 second. Yeah, it's activated now. So now the last instruction on the mobile screen, that we need to connect the mobile to the remote by using the cable provided. Here I am using the lightning cable to micro USB. So here I connected one tip of the cable here, micro USB cable, and I took the cable to inside the holder arm, and I removed my case for iPhone X because it's too thick, it's not going inside. Now it's very narrow. But I think the silicone cases, normal silicone cases, will be acceptable. Okay, now I get a screen like unfold the front and rear aircraft arm, remove the gimbal protector, and slide the battery into the battery compartment. Short press the aircraft power button, and then press and hold it again to power. So we already removed the gimbal, insert the battery, and we already unfolded the legs. So here we have the button, the power button. I press it 1 time, then I am pressing it. Yeah, I got it sound. Yes, it's giving me warning because I'm not in the flying zone. Anyway, I'm not doing it here. You know, it's very strict here in UAE. You have to agree that. Done. Yeah, you got the app here. It's activated, and now from now on you can use this aircraft without a mobile application because it's activated once. Before activate, you cannot use it with the remote control only. It's asking auto check, like propellers are installed correctly or free of damage. Ensure the aircraft is facing the back side is facing you, and the second is the controller antennas are installed correctly, and you can even have an auto check option. Yeah, it started. You can see the video feed already. And there is a slight delay in the video feed. You can see the movement of gimbal. It's like, see how it's moving. It's rock steady.